Alright, today we're going to be doing 6 different tests on the ankle ligaments. The first one we're going to do is the anterior drawer test. This one's going to be testing the anterior talofibular ligament, which is right around here. The positive sign for this test is if he has any pain that's localized to this region. So we're going to start by placing our hand anteriorly on the leg and having our other hand on the calcaneus. We're going to try to anteriorly move the ankle, and if there's any pain in the region over here, then this is a positive sign for this test. Like that. Anything more than about 5 millimeters of movement is also a positive sign. It means there might be a sprain or a dislocation. This next one is the talar tilt of the anterior talofibular ligament. This one's also going to be that same region right around there. And for this one, we're going to have our hand on the back of the leg with our other hand on the calcaneus. And for this one, we're going to have the athlete plantar flex and see if, while inverting, if there's any pain in that region. So go ahead and point your toes and move that. If there's any pain in that region right there, then that is a positive sign. For this next one, we're going to have it's the talar tilt for the calcaneofibular ligament. This one is the same thing, just with the ankle in a neutral position. This one, if he does a positive test, there will be pain right around this area, which is the calcaneofibular ligament. So this one we're going to also invert, see if there's any pain in that area. If so, that's a positive sign. And then this last one is the talar tilt for the posterior fibular ligament, which is a little bit behind the lateral malleolus. This one we're going to start with the dorsiflexion, and just like the last one's, hands on the back of the leg and on the calcaneus. We're going to invert again. It's a little dorsiflexion.